Are you picking on me? Huh, little boy? Have you been picking on your mommy? You have been, haven't you? Are you being naughty? Are you being a naughty boy? Are you rubbing my nose? Huh? Are you wadding my nose up? Ouch. That was a little rough, don't you think? Ow. You're yanking my eyelashes out, dude. You're yanking my eyelashes out. What am I going to do with you? Huh? What am I going to do with you? Oh my gosh. You're out of control, little man. You're an out of control little Louie. Yes. Get you. I'm going to get you. Mommy's got him. His mommy's got him. I'm going to get him. I'm going to get him. I get you. I will get you. Got my eye watering where you pulled my lashes out. Yeah, you did. You pulled my lashes out. I'm going to get him. I'm going to get him for it. I get him. Are you trying to get me? Are you trying to get your... Oh, did you take my hat? That's it. It's going to get serious now. Oh, it's going to get serious now. I'm going to take his legs out from under him. Oh, you going to come up high, huh? Are you going to come up high? You going to come off of me? He's a crazy man. He's a crazy man. Where did you do it? I'm going to get the Louie. I got him. I got him. I got him. I got him. Oh my gosh. I got him. I got him. He's a crazy man. He's a crazy man. He's a wild Louie. He's a wild Louie. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. Did you shove me? Are you shoving? Are you shoving on your mom? He's crazed. He's crazed. He's so big. He's so big. I got him now. Now what are you gonna do? Now what are you gonna do? Huh? Now what are you gonna do? You hit me in the head. You hit me in the head. Don't pull my eyelashes out now. That hurt last time. For real. Oh, am I on your string? I'm coming to get him. I'm coming to get him. I'm coming to get a Louie. Oh. Here, where? You want to throw? Huh? You want to throw? I don't know where your ball is. Oh. You missed. You missed. You done wrestling? Huh? No, him's not done. Him just psyched me out. He just psyched me out. Made me think he was done. He made me think he was done. I'm gonna get you. Boy. Boy Lou! Little boy Lou! ha ha ha. Ha 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 ha. What you doing? That's it. I'm gonna jump and get you. I'm gonna jump. Are you not jumping? Because I'm not gonna jump alone. If you're not jumping with me, it's not fun. It's only fun with you. Yeah. Gonna jump? I ain't gonna jump without you. You're making it boring. Mommy's gonna get done. Are you done? Huh? Or are you trying to talk me into coming back? Are you done? Huh? Are we done? You get back here, little man. Did you just shove me? Did you just shove me and run? Did you shove me and run? No? 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 You did, didn't you? Yeah, him did. Him did. Him shove me and run. Get back here. Get back here. Mommy, get that boy. I'll get that boy and I'll get his belly. I'll get his belly. Yeah. Silly boy. Better quit pulling my hair. I'm gonna pull your hair. Want me to pull your hair? Are you being cute? Are you being cute? You do look cute sitting there. You do look cute sitting there. Ah! 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 You fine? Huh? Ralphie leave you something? You had walnuts earlier. Why? Are you starting with me? You got me gun shy, now you pull my eyelashes out. Uh-oh. Ah! Get my nose. Get mommy's nose. Ah. 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 What did you do? Couldn't me from behind? Are you coming up from behind? I see what you're doing. I'm watching you. I'm watching you, little man. Uh-huh, little monkey man. You think I don't know what you're up to? You ain't all that tough. Yeah. I see how big you are. Where you going? What's them dogs doing? What's them dogs doing? They're playing with that kitty cat. I see him. I'm gonna get you. Mommy's gonna get the Louie. Here I come to get the Louie. Come here. I stole kisses. I stole kisses. I love you. I love you, little boy. Little meanie. You little tough guy. You are so tough. Yes, Louie is so tough. Him thinks him is. Him thinks him is. Mommy wants him. Mommy wants him back. Yeah. I said come back. What are you doing? Are you getting me from behind? Huh? What are you doing? Are you getting me from behind? Oh man. It's a Louie attack. From behind. Yes, he's going crazy. Oh, he's acting all sweet, but I don't trust him. What you doing, little man? Huh? Oh, that feels good. Are we done playing? Are we done playing? Oh, don't fall off the bed. You almost went too far. You almost went too far. Yeah. You come that close to falling off the bed. I just seen you. You little clumsy monkey. You little clumsy monkey. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. That's why they say that. I'm gonna get your belly. Louie Ray. Oh, Louie Ray. You got boo-boo? What is itching on your foot? Huh? Something itching? Okay.